I'm Nikki from Fine & Country, and I'm here today in Warwick Gates to show you around this beautifully presented 5-bedroom detached family home. This home is perfect for a family with easy access to the park directly opposite the house. Follow me and I'll take you for a tour inside. At the end of the tour in the south-facing private garden. If you would like more information, please contact me with the details that follow.